Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called Get Upside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for Get Upside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I myself am an Instacart shopper, Uber driver, Lyft driver, entrepreneur, social media person, whatever you want to call it. TikToker, YouTuber, Instagrammer. I do a bunch of different stuff. I'm dropping merch soon. I'm starting a gaming YouTube channel. I got a lot of things on my plate. Not really, but I pretend like I do. You know what I mean? I'm that guy who's like, I'm busy, but really all I do is just chill home and eat hot Cheetos all day. But today's video, guys, we're talking about Instacart. Instacart just sent me an email. I just wanted to make this really quick update. So if you guys have known, they're basically curing the Instacart bots problem, which the way Instacart has always worked is whenever you sign into the shopper app, they have a list of batches to choose from and you have to be really quick to choose them. However, now they're changing their model to like Uber and Lyft, where they'll send you a batch and now it's just going to be sent to you and you're going to be able to choose whether or not you want it. I think you have like 30 or 60 seconds or something. I got all the details right here, so I'm going to go over it really quickly. But in the past, basically what happens is that there was these like weird companies, these weird these weird apps, that companies that would take all the batches right away and then resell them to people who you know, wouldn't otherwise qualify. So anyways, I'm gonna sync up my phone here. I'm gonna click on my mail app in 3, 2, 1, click, and I'm gonna show you guys the email that I got. So this is what it is. Coming to your region, a new way to accept batches. So it says, this is from Instacart. Make sure that this is a legit email. shoppers@instacart.com, looks legit to me. Dear shopper, as we shared with you earlier this week, we're testing a new way for shoppers to accept batches within the shopper app. Starting today, batches in your region will be offered to shoppers directly, and you'll be given 30 seconds to review without other shoppers being able to accept the batch. Here is a reminder about how it will work. To receive a batch offer, click on Start Shopping from the dashboard in the shopper app. By the way, guys, if you haven't not yet, download Get Upside to get 25 cents off per gallon of gas every single time you fill up. Use the link in the description down below. When a batch is offered to you, you will have 30 seconds to view it and decide whether or not you would like to shop the batch. During these 30 seconds, the batch will only be viewable to you, and no other shoppers may accept the batch. If you do not want to accept the batch, you can hit the decline button to see the next batch if there's one available. If you no longer want to be offered a batch, you can click the back arrow to return to the dashboard. So honestly, this cures the whole bots problem, because now bots will only be able to get access to one batch and they can't take all of them. So I'm pretty happy about this. The only issue I have is that whether or not they'll change to acceptance rates and cancellation rates like Uber and Lyft does. And hopefully, you know, if you can just decline a bunch, then you can get one that you want. I know with Uber and Lyft, that's a big problem, is that a lot of times you'll get a really crappy ride that's really far away and it's only a mile or two. So you have to drive like 20 minutes and you only make $1 or $2, well, maybe not $1 or $2, but like $5. So hopefully it's not like that. Hopefully, you know, they kind of figured that out. I think that's why they didn't do the way the Uber and Lyft style, because they knew that was a problem. So hopefully they, you know, fix that issue. Hopefully they don't really care about cancellation rates. hopefully there will be enough shoppers to kind of even that playing field out. But yeah, that's the update I just want to share with you guys. Again, use the Get Upside link down below to save 25 cents off per gallon of gas every single time you do fill up. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.